Odisha, which was formerly known as Orissa, is the 8th largest state by area and 11th largest state by population in India. There are many scheduled tribes in this state that it is the third largest state to have these tribes. This state is surrounded by West Bengal and Jharkhand in north, Chhattisgarh in west and Andhra Pradesh in south. This state is located on eastern coastline of the country with a wide coastline of 485 kilometers. So there are many coast and beaches and sea areas to enjoy and visit in this state. The language spoken there are Odia, Bengali, Urdu, Telugu and Hindi and English. The people living in the state are majorly Hindu, around 94%. The state has a vast historic culture and heritage. This state was the ancient kingdom of Kalinga, which was invaded by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in 261 BC, resulting in a war known as Kalinga War. This state was established on 1st April 1936 with the district and regions of Bihar and Odisha, which speak Odia as their major language. The name of the state was changed from Orissa to Odisha and the name of the language from Oriya to Odia. The state at present at 30 districts is a well-being state with the government consisting of 21 Lok Sabha seats and 10 Rajya Sabha seats. The state is formally known for its dance, festivals and food, which we will discuss later. This state has many temples and lakes and beaches because of the history and location. Famous temples like Jagannath Puri Temple, which is also one of the biggest pilgrimage spot for all Hindus all over the world. Konark Sun Temple, which is believed to have been the chariot of the sun god, even one wheel of the chariot is removed to stop the chariot from moving forward, which it used to do with all wheels in place. This is one of the stories said by the natives staying there for generations. There are many other temples, both famous and local in the state, like Mukateshwar Temple in Bhubaneswar, Matarini Temple, Ghatgaon, etc. There are caves to visit in the state like Udaygiri Caves and Khandagiri Caves. Rivers like Mahanadi River near Cuttack is the largest river in state, and other major rivers that follow the Bay of Bengal are Subarnarekha, Buddha Balanga, Baitarini and etc. Climate in the state is really pleasant during every month of the year, but the state experiences four meteorological seasons that are winter during January to February, pre-monsoon during March to May, southwest monsoon June to September, northeast monsoon October to December. The climate is always pleasant and favorable for the tourists to visit and enjoy. And there are hill stations to stay to enjoy the weather and green heritage of the state. Hill stations like Daringbadi, Mahendragiri, Tapatani, etc. are really beautiful and worth to visit when visiting the state. The state is well equipped with all type of transportation facilities like air, water and road. The state has international airports for the tourists which are planning to visit from the countries other than India. The state is well connected to railways all over the country with the sea routes also. The state is also well equipped with the hotels with within 7-star and 5-star ratings with all the facilities available there. ओडिशा राज्य को अपने संस्कृति और त्योहारों के लिए संपूर्ण देश में जाना जाता है। इस राज्य का लोक नृत्य भारत में कई अन्य देशों में सीखा और सिखाया जाता है। इस लोक नृत्य को ओडिसी नाम से जाना जाता है। इस नृत्य को यहाँ के वासी कई पुष्टों से करते आ रहे हैं। कहा जाता है और माना जाता है कि यह नृत्य करीबन 2000 साल पुरानी संस्कृति से चला आ रहा है। That was it for this video. Thanks for watching.